kitty, like it's probably the worst brand of fire extinguisher, are recalled again. So I had a couple of like old fire extinguishers. So just for fun, because they didn't work anymore. I'm like, man, what if these are now recalled too? Sure enough, one was. Put in all the number. Yep. They didn't even tell me. It just says a response has been recorded. In the mail, you have gotten a brand new cheap. Are they metal? I wonder if they're metal head, hopefully. Disposable. No, it's probably plastic. Fire extinguisher for free. I don't even know if I paid for the one that I complained about. Metal, plastic. Metal, plastic. It seems like it's plastic, but a better plastic. Maybe. The other ones are real cheap. That might be somewhat like a cast. I don't know. It could be better construction. I say it's better than what I had. Okay, free. Free. I get everything for free. Made in Mexico. Yeah, the other ones are recalled, like they cracked off or something. Yeah, these actually are more metal on the top. Right, way higher quality unit than those cheap plastic ones that commonly cracked and they lost their charge. Okay. Oh, metal thing too. Look at that. Metal. The other one was all plastic. I have it inside, I think. So I can get rid of that one. Yeah. Interesting. Did they even sell anything? Did they give me any? Nope, nothing. Oh, I see. They want the old one back. I guess. I don't know. What is this? Oh, screw this. I'm not going to FedEx. Maybe I will eventually. So that's the deal. They want the old one back, and they'll get it back eventually. What is it? Oh, it's a UPS label. No, it isn't a UPS label. Interesting. We'll figure it out. I guess we'll find the old one, and I'll go back next time we go to FedEx and wherever. I'm not making a special trip, that's for sure, with their defective garbage products. All right, so that's cool. Free fire extinguisher, and they want the old one back. They didn't tell you that in the thing.